In this video, how to use Google Sheets Android with dark theme then back to light theme within a sheet. The appropriate dialog box is this huge one here in 4 white lines. I will come to that in a moment. To get started, bring Google Sheets Android, and if like me, and this is just a sample sheet, very simplistic in Windows 10, look at all the white space. It just burns the backs of your eyes, especially when you are tired. So even though that you have like the most simplistic month and dollars, fictitious of course, and a quick graph, it kind of like irritates me, maybe you, because it's very, very bright. So we can change that and try and get a different perspective. Go over to your Android machine and open up Sheets. Immediately choose Settings and then Dark Theme. No big news to that because it opens up as very black, very white, and we can see it. But immediately, if I just go back up one slide, you can see that here we are on our relative desktop. We've moved over to Android, and the blues and blacks are a little bit different. It doesn't stop there, because the point of me making this video is this, and that is that within your actual sheet, not the actual app, because you've told the app to do dark theme anyway, inside that My Models sheet we can view in light theme and change it immediately back to the light, and then we can change it back to the dark just within the sheet. Very, very quick, very easy, and that's why I'm bothering to make this video. So to take a quick look at the dialog box properly, your spreadsheet is in dark mode, i.e. set up by the app. And this is the 4 lines I'm going to read. The dark mode canvas automatically adjusts your content to fit the dark theme. If you ever want to preview your spreadsheet in the light theme, go to Menu, View in Light Theme. To always use light mode, go to Sheets, Settings, Light Mode or Theme and Light. That was it really. The point of making this is I don't use Sheets a lot, but when I do, I found that if I flip over, especially say using the YouTube Studio for all my analytics and graphs and things, dark, as you well know, saves battery and also is in quite subdued light, but also this ability to slip back into light and dark very quickly, I thought was worthy of a couple of moments. YouTube /Mike Downs.